Narcissists ruin your peace garden, but balance is possible if you know how. In the vibrant world of nature, every creature has a role, and harmony is the key. Just like in a lush garden, balance keeps everything thriving. Now imagine your life as this garden, flourishing with peace and joy. Yet lurking within, a narcissist disrupts this perfect harmony. Like a pesky weed, how can you restore balance without causing a complete upheaval? Okay, so let's embark on a journey to master the art of balance in your personal ecosystem. Visualize yourself as the gardener, tending to this delicate garden. Tip number 1, identify the weed. Narcissists are like invasive species. Identifying them is the first step to keeping your ecosystem healthy. Keep an eye on their patterns and be prepared for their disruptive influence. Secondly, guard your energy. Energy in your ecosystem is crucial. Like a wise gardener, ensure that you aren't feeding the narcissist's demands. Conserve your energy as you would water in a drought. Prioritize yourself and nourish what truly matters. Third, set firm boundaries. Think of boundaries as the garden's fence, keeping out pests that threaten your plants. Communicate these limits clearly and consistently to protect your inner peace from narcissistic intrusion. Fourth, stay grounded. Just as strong roots anchor a tree, staying grounded in your values shields you from manipulative winds. Practice self-awareness and remain true to who you are. Next, practice empathy sparingly. While generosity enriches the garden of life, empathizing too much with a narcissist can drain your energy reservoir. Monitor how much empathy you allocate to this relationship, keeping enough for yourself and healthy connections. Sixth, don't expect change. A narcissist, like a fixed mountain, rarely shifts. Once a weed, always a weed, so don't bank on them transforming. Accept reality and adjust your expectations. Seventh, seek supportive allies. In nature, some plants grow stronger together, protecting each other. Draw strength from supportive friends or family who will stand by your side. Eighth, detach with love. Sometimes, the best approach is to observe and do nothing. Emotional detachment combined with compassion can prevent toxicity from affecting your ecosystem. Ninth, focus on thriving. Ensure your attention is on the healthy growth areas of your life. Celebrate the flowers and fruits, not the invasive thorn bushes. Finally, keep evolving. Just like the ever-changing seasons, adapt through life's challenges. Learn, grow, and cultivate a more resilient environment. You now have the tools to face these threats head-on, and there you have it. Now it's your turn to keep nature's balance and reclaim your peace. Stay vigilant, unexpected blooms await.